problem with typical lubrication is it's made with petroleum-based fossil fuels, and while you're using a chainsaw, that lubricant is being thrown into the environment. And obviously we don't want to be polluting the environment we're in, so we went back and formulated a biodegradable chainsaw oil by substituting the petroleum base with soy, which is rapidly renewable and also is readily biodegradable, meaning it won't last in the environment as pollution. And our partnership with DGP has been critical to bringing this to life. People may have had past bad experiences with bio-based bar and chain oil because those solutions were merely vegetable oil in a bottle. DEWALT would never do that. We prioritize functionality and performance first. We test our DEWALT bio-based oil against other bio-based formulations as well as petroleum-based formulations to ensure we are performing as our end user expects.
It performs a lot better than any bio-based product that I've used before or petroleum-based. The viscosity is a lot better. With this extreme heat that we have here in California, we aren't risking ruining our chainsaw bars or chainsaws just because we're using an environmentally friendly product.
When you look at biodegradable options, when you look at high performance options, what's out there today, and are we offering any of that? And that's where we started to build out the partnership with DGP. Anytime you invest in high performance solutions for our customers, we're making a good investment. And Stanley Black & Decker is smart enough and a mature enough organization to recognize that startup innovation can be extremely disruptive, but it can be extremely helpful.
While we're very proud of our DEWALT bar and chain oil, we're not stopping here. We have ambitious goals that are driving us to reduce the carbon footprints of our product. So you're going to see better materials and better energy sources going forward.
I think a lot of people have this misconception that battery operated equipment or biodegradable products aren't as good as petroleum-based. People just need to put that aside and just try it out for once and see how they like it. I think they will not be disappointed. It's a great thing, and I think you'll truly enjoy it.